everyone, and welcome back to the course and how you learn everything you need to know about the stock market to really get started, okay? So this video is very exciting because now we're gonna open up your demo account. How amazing is that? Your demo account! So and remember, if you like what you're seeing here, if you enjoy these videos, please press the like button and also the subscribe button so you can get these videos out that we send to you on a weekly basis. So without no further ado, we're going to be looking at how do you really set up your demo account and what is a demo account. So let's first of all go over to the flip chart here. So when you open your account, you kind of want to have a demo account, and maybe the name of it kind of gives it away. And how many of you would like to play, Monopoly, you have fake money, but you can actually practice what the real deal? That would be cool, right? So that's what you can do. And the broker we're using, make sure you write this down. We're going to go to R Trader umstell.com, okay? rtrader.umstell.com, okay? Very important. Now, this here is the trading platform. Yeah, there's a trading platform, and the company behind this is called something else actually. So the company that has created this trading platform is called Robomarkets, okay? Robomarkets. And I know what you're going to ask me now, because I hope you've all actually watched the last video where we went through, what exchanges do we use? I never heard about Robomarkets. How do we know if it's a scam? How do we know when it's legit? We're going to have a look at that in this video as well. So Robomarkets is a company. They have FX, they have cryptos, right? They have stocks, and their stock arm, right? In order for us to trade stocks and even FX, we need to download or log in to their trading platform. And that's what the stocks, the R Trader does. It allows us to trade stocks and buy shares inside Robomarkets. I hope that makes sense for you. So we're going to be opening a demo account today, and I'm going to show you how you can open a live account as well. But in order for you to trade the demo account, which is really cool because you can trade with 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, you choose. But I would pick something that is, when you're starting live, that reflects that amount. Very important. But this is a good way to get started. And write this down as well, that I would say that when you get started, make sure that you stay maybe 2, maybe 3 months on demo before going live, where you practice the strategies, and we will actually show you a strategy in the coming videos as well. So let's go over to the computer, and we're going to be having a look now at the different brokers here. So the first thing to do, you guessed it, is what do we do when we are looking at a broker? We Google it, exactly. So now I Googled, is Robomarkets regulated? And it says here, it's regulated by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission, CySEC, and they have a license number. Perfect, it's regulated. You can even go in and check that there as well. So check, right? Tick, we're ticking in that box. They have low fees, and I've already done that research. You can go into their website and have a look at that as well. So if we go into robomarkets.com, this is their broker, and you can even Google that. How many fees do they have? And you can see the number of clients are growing rapidly, and we want to be looking at, read about them, do your research, who would you invest with and why? And these are all of the countries that they're regulated in as well. They were regulated in Sweden. What you want to do as well, okay, but you said, Dennis, as well, that low fees are important. Is it, do they have low fees or what? So you could scroll through their page, you could look at all this, but what I like to do is just to go back to Google, and then you can Google it. It's just a faster way of doing everything. So Robomarket fees. There we go. And then it should come up. You can even do commission-free trade. This is exciting. So when you buy stocks, if you're only going to invest, you actually have 0% commission for trading stocks in R Trader, which is awesome. So it is actually a very, very cheap platform. And they have more than 3,000 stocks. It's a good one. So I think it's good, it's cheap, it's easy to use as well, which you will see. Yeah, there we go. And then you can see what fees applies here. And I can tell you as well, you just go through and read it, right? But when you have a look at their website, you will be able to see that they have very low fees. We have some exchanges, some brokers, where you pay maybe $15 every time you buy and sell. Maybe some of you have an ISA, even a wrapped account that is tax-free. But there you pay 15, 20 pounds every time you buy and sell. Here you pay $1.5, maybe up to $3 every time you buy and sell, unless you're using the commission-free account where you don't pay anything. And if you live in UK, you say, well, I want to do for an ISA, Dennis. Do they have an ISA? Because an ISA is an account where you can actually do it tax-free for £20,000 a year. You can get £20,000 per year in there. But actually what people forget is that you can actually make up to, I think it's a bit more than £10,000 in capital gains. You can make that in profits that you don't need to pay tax on. So I would start there because the fees will be a lot lower. So when you're getting started, that's what you got to do. But for now, we're going to be looking at the demo account. So we go to rtrader.umstell.com. So rtrader.umstell.com. And the first thing we got to do here is to go to the side here, the 3 buttons on top. And in here, we are going to log in, but you need to sign up. It's very simple to do so. You enter your kind of username, you enter your email, you enter your phone number, and then the country. And if your country is not here, just pick another country. It really doesn't matter for now. I know if you're in Belgium, you're not going to be able to pick a country, and then you press sign up. Once you do that, you will just be logged in. So it's very simple, fortunately. And then you press login, boom. And then when you sign up, you get an email so you can log in as well. And this is to open a demo account. So now we're logged in to the demo account. I'm going to take you through how this works as well. I'm just going to show you what you really need. And then we're going to have a little bit more of a deep dive into the how you place orders and stuff as well. But you can see up here in the top, if you start here now, it should look a little bit like this. It might look slightly different. You might have 2 charts on the screen actually. But for now, what we're going to be looking at is the top level here where it's black. It says balance. That's how much money you have. You probably have 10,000, maybe 50,000, depending on how you opened your account. And then you will see your equity, how much money you have available. And then you have how much you have realized profit and gains all the way to the right. And then you have the chart in the middle. We are going to tell you how to set up a really good charting software as well, which is not this actually. We're going to show you what a charting software is. But if you remember from the previous videos, we do have a charting software which we use only to do the analysis. And then we have the broker to place the trades, which is very exciting. So in here now, let's have a look. So then in the second row, you will then be able to search in the search field for the company you want to invest in. Let's say you want to do Apple. And then I want you to write this down. When you're trading, which we will look at as well, then you pick the CFD, all right, contracts for difference. Not very important right now. But then if you go to the second one, which is stock, and then the indices it's on, so NASDAQ, you press on that. That's the one you use when you're investing, okay? So you press on that. And then you were looking here now at Apple. So the next thing to do then is, when you have searched for it, then you go to the next one here, which is a box. It's just a square, but you press on it, and then you can choose here how many, what kind of layout you want. You want to have 3 of them, you want to have 1 of them. So I would usually take 1 because it looks more tidy. So that's really what you want to do, all right? And in a previous video, we have also gone through what is a market order, what is a limit order, what is a stop order. Because on the right-hand side here, you actually have the kind of order box. And we're going to go through that when we actually place a trade a little bit later as well. I'm going to show you how those orders actually work. But for now, just know that this here is your order box basically. So this is where you choose the kind of order, how many shares you want to buy or sell, and you can even go short. You can make money as the market goes down. So what you want to do now is really, because now you need to get started. Now you need to have a strategy. And now you need to also learn how to analyze the stocks so you can actually enter as well. But the last thing I want to show you here is all the way down here. You see that it says positions, active orders, history, and you have some other things as well. But if you go to the middle, there's kind of two small lines there. And if you press that, you can pull this a little bit higher, and you can then see what positions you're in, what kind of companies you're in, how much profit or loss you're making, and then you can see your active orders, and the positions is just which ones you're in. Your active orders are what kind of orders do you have in at the moment. So what are you looking to buy, basically? So you're looking to buy, so you have an order in, but it has not taken you in yet. So you have not got the shares, if that makes sense. And then history, you can see your trading history as well. How much you have been making over the last couple of months. You can track your progress. So that's really how you open the demo account, and a little bit how you use R Trader as well. And in the coming videos, we'll show you how you actually place an order and how you take care of those positions and how you can really get started, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to have some support on this, please press the link and you can actually book a 20 minutes free consultation. So our traders and our kind of support team can help you to get started even. And if you enjoy what you see, please subscribe as well and comment below. What broker are you using? Do you trade currently, and which ones are working for you? Which ones have low fees and which ones are easy to use? So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next.